I enjoy creating, and my snap my finger doing anything in the world is just creating. I just want to create and allow that to provide for my family and share my message, which is what I enjoy doing most, is sharing a message. But yet, how can I do that if I'm only doing it on a singular level? And if you don't know me, my name is Cody Alford, and I have been on this personal development journey for the past 5 years. I retired from the Marine Corps, specifically Special Operations, back in 2018. And after that, my wife and I, we hit the road in a conversion van. We sold all of our stuff. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I was completely lost. And I set on a journey to find me. And along that way, a lot of crazy things have happened in my life. And one thing that I'm looking to do is share more of that story with you all here on YouTube. And, if you follow me from the Sean Ryan Show, which is a really amazing podcast that Sean puts together. And I was very fortunate to be a guest of his. And a lot of eyes have made it towards me after that show. It's just about a 6.5 hour podcast. I'll make sure I link it in the description. But there's a lot of great things in there, and I mean great things in a way of that, like, we're all full of great things. The issue is, at least in my life, is that are you going to do something with them, or are you going to let them fade away as we return to Earth? And I'm not doing that anymore. So, anyways, I said screw it. I'm doing it. So this is me. And this is me. Make sure you like and subscribe for more information. I mean, I'll be dropping all my videos of basically all the speaking engagements that I do, my mindset, motivation, honestly, just like my philosophy on life and the things that I'm doing and where I'm going. And because I, like you, I'm going to die one day, and I refuse to go silently into that good night. I'm gonna let the world know that I'm alive. I've had the pleasure and the discomfort of having many of experiences that it would be complete disservice to all my friends who are no longer here if I was just to play small and not share stories of growth and overcoming adversity. So what I'm getting ready to do right now is I am going to go exercise. I was going to head to the gym, and I told myself, what am I doing? Like, I told myself I was going to work out in my own gym, and I have a 40-foot container right over there, and I have my gym in the back. So I'm going to go in there, crush the workout. I'm just going to, I'm going to edit this video and upload it because I want to, and I'm really just excited to make it happen. There's a lot of things out there right now that you want to do with your life, but you're not doing it because you're potentially worried about what someone else may think. Or if you're anything like me, you're just in your head. You want to do something. You'll do everything else but that one thing that you constantly on repeat say you want to do. And listen, I'm not a tough guy. I'm not this, I got it all figured out. I'm not like most of the people you watch on social media. I'm not like most of the people you observe on social media who are telling you exactly how to live your life and how you should act and how everything is just perfect. I mean, a lot of these people on social media, it's kind of hard to understand, like, to relate with them. It's like, dang dog, do you even poop? Do you have like any pain in your life? And when all they show you is overcome, get after it, do it, it kind of makes you feel like, damn, is my life jacked up? And listen, your life's not jacked up. The social media world is a complete, I'm not going to call it a complete lie, but it is a completely different reality, okay? And in reality, we have a say. We get to choose if we're going to buy into it or not. So, just like in that reality about what we're going to believe, we get that reality to decide what we're going to believe for ourselves. Are we that person that just says we want to do something, or are we going to be that person that's actually going to overcome those self-limiting beliefs and get after it? Guys, I have overcome so many crazy hard things in my life. It's insane. But you know what? Just like you've overcome so many hard things in your life. So why is it that one thing that we want to do, we hold ourselves back from? It's pathetic. When you really boils down to it, it's just pathetic. All you got to do is pull out your camera and start recording, and now you have a YouTube channel. And I loved recording on YouTube. It was like one of the really good outlets that I had when I first got out of the military, just to be able to share things that I'm going on in longer format, because I'm not an idiot. I know that I'm not the only one going through certain things. And one thing I really love about the content that I put out is that I just share me. I share the authentic, vulnerable side of me, which I know a lot of you need out there, because like I mentioned earlier, a few moments back, there's just so many people that are just like, you gotta be perfect. You shouldn't have any hard times. Be a man, man up, do all these crazy things. And yes, you should definitely get after it. You should definitely man up, woman up. You should definitely, you know, pick your head up and get after it. But I'm a real person, dude. Some days I feel like crap. Now, that doesn't mean I just give up on myself. It just means that I acknowledge the fact that, like, I feel like crap, or in this case, acknowledge the fact that I've been wanting to get right back into this, and for whatever reason, I haven't been doing it. I've been doing everything else, but I haven't been doing something that I said I actually wanted to do. And so here I am, and that's my message to you is, you know, you could talk about it or be about it. Yeah, we know that, but at the end of the day, man, you're going to be dead. And unless you want to review your life on your deathbed, if you're fortunate enough to have one of those, and be like, man, why didn't I just pull up my phone or my camera and record myself? Why didn't I just do that one thing? Unless you want that feeling for yourself, why didn't I go after that job, that opportunity? Then do it. Listen, it's simple, right? But it's not easy. It's not supposed to be easy. So once you realize that it's simple, meaning that you can do it, but it's not easy, meaning that's the barrier that keeps people from actually accomplishing it, that should be all the encouragement that you need, right? Because if there's a chance to fail, there's a chance to succeed. And guys, gals, anytime you have a chance to give up on yourself, whew, you are just, you're giving yourself a real opportunity to be absolutely successful. And what is success? Success is your definition. But if you're looking to change your life, share a message, make more money, give more money, help more people out, then how else are you supposed to do that if you don't start? So anyways, I'm really excited to be back on YouTube. My goal is once a week, and we'll go from there. But anyways, if you guys are looking forward to following the journey, make sure you like and subscribe this. I'm gonna put down some of the links that I utilize for my betterment. I've been really into biohacking and wellness, and I'll do some more videos on that type of stuff. But if you see any links down below, know that these are all things that I do and use that have helped transform my life. If you go back to some of the previous videos, you'd be like, man, Cody was kind of fat and he really looked empty and a lot of sadness and depression. And those are absolutely true stories, because that's exactly what I had. I've been doing a lot of work on myself for the past few years, and it's something I want to share with you all. Just like share with you guys our introduction into homesteading. And right now, we are up on all the chickens. Hey ladies, that's Dominic, and he is kind of mean. He's so big. He is a big rooster. So we got our little bitty young chicks in here. Hey ladies. And then we got the bigger chickens out here. Let them get accustomed to everybody. So, really excited to share more with you all, and I look forward to continuing this journey with you. Have a good one.